Hi, everybody. It's Miss Kelly. How are you? I miss you guys so much. I can't even believe it. I hope everybody's doing well and keeping safe. I'm going to read today Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. This is actually one of my kids' favorite books. They loved Pete the Cat. Thought he was so cool. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much. He sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. He's so silly, isn't he? I love it. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Oh my gosh, look at that big pile of strawberries. What color are they? They're red. Red! Look at that. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. See, right there he says, "It's cool. Everything is cool." Pete sang, "I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes." He was one cool cat, this Pete, right? Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. Look at that pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. It turned his shoes blue. Did Pete cry? Did he cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along singing his song. See, Pete says awesome because he's too cool. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Look at him there, huh? With his blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of, what is that? Mud! What color did it turn his shoes? Oh my gosh. What color? Brown! Turned his shoes brown. You believe that? Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Look right there, Pete says, groovy. I love that word. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? Anybody remember what color his shoes were before he stepped in all that? Let's find out. White! But now they were wet. Oh, I don't like wet shoes. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll, Pete says. Look, he's playing a banjo. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I'll tell you what, that Pete, he's just too cool. Makes the best of a bad situation. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step on, keep walking along and singing your song. No matter what you step in, because it's all good. There's Pete hanging out. All right, guys, I hope you liked the story. I miss you. Love you all. Bye.